So in this video, I'm just going to tell you that how to clear your YouTube history, which is quite simple and easy to do. So let's begin. And first of all, open up your YouTube application and just log into your account. And after logging, just simply tap on your profile and click on manage your Google account. And here just simply click on data and privacy and scroll down a little bit until you get the history settings. And history settings, you can see YouTube history. Just simply tap on it. And first of all, here you can just turn off your YouTube history. In this case, YouTube will be not able to save your watched or search history. And here you can select auto delete option. Want to delete your YouTube history after some of the time automatically, just simply click on auto delete activity and select the month after how month you want to delete your history, like in this way, and click on next and click on confirm. Click on OK. And however, if you want to just clear your YouTube history, just simply tap on manage history option. And here it will show all of your search and watch history. If you want to delete a particular video or a particular search, just simply tap on that cross, like in this way. And if you want to clear your history, just simply click on delete. And here you can delete today history, custom page, or all time. If let's suppose I want to delete today history, just what you have to do, just click delete today. And like in this way you can delete or clear your YouTube history. So I hope it helps you guys, and if you have any question about the tutorial, just leave me in comment below and I'll be catching you in the next video. Thanks guys.